Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on trig equations general solution. Find the general solution of, and then I give you cos bracket 2a plus 30 degrees is equal to sin a. Now you will look at this and think, what is going on here? There's no numbers, the angles aren't the same, how can I solve this? Now there's something that I have taught you when we dealt with identities and reduction formula, and this is the one that was called the co-function, where sin a is equal to cos bracket 90 degrees minus a. It's the reduction formula, the co-function for sin. And now in the place of sin you can substitute the cos 90 degrees minus a. And then you will say, now where am I working? In which quadrants? You will look at the sign of cos and it's positive. Where is cos positive? In the first and the fourth quadrant. So you will work in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 4. Now what to write there? Now have a look here on the right hand side in algebra. When I give you 2 to the x is equal to 2 to the 3. Do you agree here, because the bases are the same, you can say therefore x is equal to 3. And this is exactly what's happening here. Since there's a cos bracket 2a plus 30 degrees on the left hand side, and there's a cos 90 degrees minus a on the right hand side. So then you leave the coses and you will only write on the left hand side the angle 2a plus 30 degrees is equal to, and on the right hand side, the 90 degrees minus a angle. It was this one you found there. You only write that one, there it is, plus k times 360, k element z. And now you solve a. So you will solve a. This a will walk across and becomes plus a. And this 30 will walk across and becomes minus 30. So it's 3a is equal to 60 degrees plus k times 360 k element z. But we want to solve a, therefore we will divide everything by 3, even that k times 360. And we end with the general solution in the first quadrant is a is 20 degrees plus k times 120 k element z. And then in the fourth quadrant, again on the left hand side you write this angle 2a plus 30 equals. But now you must be careful, because in the fourth quadrant the rule is 360 minus the acute angle, and the acute angle here is the 90 degrees minus a. And then in the next step you will multiply in the minus and you end with 2a plus 30 is 360 minus 90 plus a. And then we will solve a. And a, when we solve it, will be a is 240 degrees plus k times 360 k element z in the fourth quadrant. In the next lesson, I will discuss another practice example on trig equations general solution. Click on the video in the left hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.